Let's check out this grease gun coupler set. We've got a tractor out here, which means that we're supposed to be greasing it all the time. And the problem with most modern grease guns is that they don't come with all the modern stuff you should be using for greasing. This is nice. What do we got here? We got a flexible hose. That's an essential when you're doing greasing. And look at these two things. So a 90-degree coupler. These are hugely useful. A locking coupler. We'll get to that. And what's this? Is this a tool for like, yeah, for like taking out grease zerks? That's kind of neat. Yeah, this one. This is the thing I really like right here. What's the rating on this thing? 12,000 psi. So look at how this thing works. You go like that, you put it on the grease zerk, let go, and see these outside edges pinch in, so it locks onto the grease zerk. So let's go try this on something, see how it goes. Okay, look at how long this hose is. So we're going to hook this onto the tractor. I'm going to do everything one-handed because I'm using my phone. I've got a kind of inset grease zerk here, so this thing's just going to reach out and touch it. There we are, it's locked on. So we'll do that again. So I'm pressing the lever down, grabbing the grease zerk, pushing it on, and I'll just release. Now with still just one hand, now I can grab this thing from like 4 or 5 feet away and start greasing. So that's pretty nice. So just pumping away over here, greasing this thing up. So that's a good setup there. Now part 2 is we can use this thing with the 90-degree fitting. And there's a couple ways you can use this. What I like to do is I like to put this thing on the grease fitting first. So let's just pretend that we couldn't get to this fitting here. Pretend you couldn't get to this grease fitting here because it's like in a funny spot. So we can snap this 90-degree on here. Okay. So we gotta actually loosen this up a little bit. Hold on. All right, so we got our 90-degree on there, right? On the back side of this thing is a grease zerk. So we'll use the same setup here to reach in there, grab the grease zerk, right? And then we're gonna pump grease into this fitting. So again, we'll pretend this fitting's in a funny spot. And then when we're done, release it off of there. And if this thing's really stuck, you can unscrew it, but otherwise just push it on and pull it off. So a really nice little setup here, having that 90 and the coupler. This is about the easiest thing in the world to use. And this long stinking hose. Look how long this hose is. So, yep, really a fan of this for greasing up the old machine.